Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to explain DAYFORCE app review. So to get started, DAYFORCE is a comprehensive human capital management HCM platform developed by Canadian, offering an integrated suite for tools for HR, payroll, benefit, workforce, and talented management. So this DAYFORCE mobile app extends these functionalities to smartphone, enable employers and managers to perform such as clocking in and out, viewing schedules, managing benefit, and accessing pay information on the go. Designed to mid-size the large organization, DAYFORCE aims to streamline HR process and enhance workforce engagement through the real-time data and solution. And here's the strength. It comes with a unified HCM platform, a real-time payroll processing, employee self-service, and a mobile accessibility with a compliance security. And here's the weakness of this platform. It has a steep learning curve, a mobile app reliability, and the customer support challenges here with a customization limitation and the cost consideration. And here's the bottom line. DAYFORCE present a robust solution for organizations seeking to integrate various HR functions into a simple platform, offering a real-time data processing and mobile accessibility that can enhance additional efficiency. However, potential users should be prepared for significant implementations efforts, possible challenges with mobile app performance.